This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, now go straight to Contacts. Click the Google Apps grid in the top right of Gmail and pick Contacts or type Contacts. Google.com. If you use multiple accounts, make sure the active account matches where you saved contacts. Switch accounts from the profile icon if needed. Once in Contacts, you'll see recent contacts and labels. This first step puts you directly into Google Contacts so you can search, filter, and manage entries without delay. Now that you're in Contacts, start by typing a name, email, or phone number in the search bar to locate saved entries quickly. Once results appear, use the left side labels like starred, frequent, and other contacts to focus on specific groups. If you need more precision, click a contact to view details, or use the More menu to filter by company or recently contacted. Once you understand labels and search, locating particular contacts becomes reliable and fast across devices. Finish by exporting and syncing your contacts so they're available across devices. Open Settings in Google Contacts, choose Export or Sync. If something disappears, use Restore or Undo changes to revert up to 30 days. This recovers deleted contacts quickly. To ensure mobile availability, open your phone settings, accounts, choose Google, and enable Sync Contacts. If contacts still don't show, double-check the correct Google account is active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.